It seems like only yesterday that all waste went into just one place and got burned. Today we must sort the waste, and we must do it at the source. And that requires furniture designed to do exactly that, sorting waste at the source. Now let me show you how input from the market contribute to make the best designs for everyone. Let's begin by taking a look under the bin, under the waste sorting station. Wheels, they are really dirt traps. An architect pointed that out to us, and so did several other. We figured out a way to solve this problem by hiding it behind this nice panel. And this is actually the base foundation of all our Bica indoor models. We have mounted the very strong wheels on reinforced steel, meaning you can roll this over a tile floor without breaking the wheels, and it's easy to move when you clean under the bin. And beside the strong wheelbase, the bin is also overall very solid, robust, built from a base of 1.5 mm steel, a top from 1.5, sides from 1.3 mm, making it extremely solid. It's made to last, and it's also made to stay geometrically intact after, let's say, a fire. On our indoor bins in the S30 and S26 series, I'll get back to what differentiates these two. On those, we have front doors on all of them. The reason being that today no one wants to lift up high, having breaking bags and everything falling out. So instead, just open the front door, loosen the bag, and pull it out this way. Very easy. So no heavy lifting, easy placing the bag, then you change, and you close, and then you have no visible plastic anywhere. And also note this feature here, there's a soft close in the front doors. So when you close it, it goes very easy. Magnets are pulling it in, holding it in place. Let's take a closer look at the door. We see it has been reinforced in here, and this prevents it from flexing. It is very, very strong. But should you have an accident or damage a door, it's very easy to replace. There is no visible hinges, because that way we avoid any dirt traps here as well. But should you replace a door, there is a steel bar in here which can be removed. Put in the new door, put the steel bar in, and you're ready to go again. But again, I will say we have never in our history seen a damage on a door or a dent or anything, because they are really very strong. The S30 series, Bica S30 series, is based on 3 modules. 1 fraction, 2 fraction, or 3 fractions. And now the latest model, we also have this one split up here, so you within this can have 65 liter plus 65 plus 40 plus 40, or like here, 65, 65, 95. We write on our website, freedom to combine, and let me illustrate that for you, very simple. Let's say you have a 1 fraction bin, and you want to add 2 fractions more. This is done just like this. You see the front is aligned. The socket goes right through here as one line, and you can keep extending as much as you like. Another example improving our bins from listening to our customers is from a library. They had some bins, and they said when we close it, it makes too loud a noise. So we said, okay, we can handle that, we can solve that problem. So from now on, all our 2 and 3 fraction bins and 4, they come with a damper in the lid. Also meaning that if you put your fingers here and you let it slam, nothing happens. Just close it softly. There is also the option of having various openings. You can have a rectangular, a square, round, even security paper, anything basically. From 24 pieces per model, we can make the shape you like up here in the input holes. And you also have the option of having a little color notching up here to support whatever markings you put on the front. Another thing, very often we hear from facility staff that the bag holders they use are simply not holding the bag in the proper way. And that problem we have addressed very seriously and come up with probably the strongest bag holder you ever seen on the bin. It's very easy to operate, but the fact that it is not just some round piece of iron or metal you need to hold in your hand, but square and very robust, means that it is so simple to change the bags, and the bags will never slide off. But see how easy it is to put it around it, close it, and no nasty signs of bags anywhere, and the bags stays in place. We also, for the smaller offices, we have the S26 series. This was S30, this is S26. This is 30 depth, and this depth of this one, 26 centimeters. This is for smaller offices. It works exactly like the other modules does. You can build it up, it's modular, just like that. Here's 3, there's 1. You can combine, there's 1, 2 and 3 fractions of this one as well. But again, this is for smaller offices. For schools, companies and so on, in larger scale, we recommend to go with the S30 series with 65 and 95 liter, and the S26 is based on the 45 liter modules. When you are planning to do waste sorting in your business or your city or school or whatever it is, please do contact us. We can provide samples and come along and help you to establish your needs of the location. You will find all the information you need on JustMore.dk or DE, NL and so on. So thank you for viewing, and hope it was inspirational.